Do you know, nearly 2.2 million project management-related jobs need to be filled every year through 2027? Project management is an awesome career with high salaries and plenty of variety at work, but it's also a demanding job. Are you gearing up to start your project management career, but not sure where to start? If yes, then you have come to the right video. Hi, my name is VJ, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn how to start your project management career in 7 steps. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Project management demands both hard and soft skills to efficiently manage a project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to achieve a particular aim in a certain duration. You may be already managing some sort of project on a daily basis. It could be as simple as buying an office chair or launching a vaccine development program. You may already know the importance of project management, however, starting a career in the project management domain can be confusing and mind-boggling. Here is the 7-step strategy to develop your project management career. The first step is to understand your current professional journey status. Are you a student or a fresh graduate? Are looking for an entry-level project, or are you already a working professional? The second step is to identify how you can gain your project management expertise. This would help you understand the starting point of your journey. If you are a high school graduate or diploma holder, then the best way to learn is through certified training courses. You can refer to online courses at YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and other web portals to have basic knowledge of project management and its application to various industries. If you are pursuing your bachelor's degree holder or just freshly graduated from college, then you should get enrolled for a certified training course to learn basic concepts of project management techniques, processes, and tools. The best way to gain knowledge at this stage is to join an internship or apprentice's job on small projects. If you already graduated and looking for an entry-level job, you may join a certified training course with accredited certification. A well-known course from an accredited organization will help you to gain exposure to the professional project management world. You may also evaluate the option of pursuing a full-time or online university degree course in project management. If you are a graduate or postgraduate with significant work experience, then your first place to learn project management is working on a full-fledged project. To get an opportunity to work on the project, you will need to prove your project management knowledge. The third step is to mark your starting point. Based on your current professional journey and interest, you should decide your starting point. Also, before onboarding your project management journey, you should check if this career is right for you. Reach out to project managers and industry leaders, ask questions, read articles, vlog, or even try a project management internship. The fourth step is to identify which course or degree is best suitable for you. This will depend on the type of profession, available time, and aspirations. You will need to check which qualification is most common in your industry. Which one do you see listed most in the kind of job descriptions you're interested in? Which one is best suited to your available time and budget? Which one will better fit the kind of processes your company uses? Where in the world do you want to work? The fifth step is to walk the talk. Once you zeroed out the right course, you will need to spend time and effort studying the curriculum. Again, the duration and effort will depend on the type of course that you have chosen and your current professional status. This process may take from months to years. The sixth step is getting real project work experience. Even though you do not have any formal project management training, certification, or degree, you can start working on projects if you get the chance. Learning by doing is the best way to learn about project management. Trust me, with a couple of years of working experience and a project management degree or certification, you would be ready to handle the big and complex size of projects. Last but most important step, once you become a project manager, remember that is not the final destination. You should continuously learn things and the latest happening in the project management field of your industry. Irrespective of wherever you are in your professional journey, you will need to continuously learn new techniques and upgrade your skills. Project management is a very dynamic field that constantly deals with various types of complex projects. You should aim to develop your career as a thought leader. And if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.